Welcome to Aloha Friday with Judy. We're here in the beautiful Mariners Valley. This valley sits just beyond Kamiluiki Park, which we're in now, and Mariners Cove, which we have visited before. We've already visited Mariners Village 3, which is sort of in the back of the valley, the townhouse development that is so popular. So we won't look at that again today. But there are many, many single family homes here in the valley. And many of them are one level, which is perfect for folks who prefer not to have stairs. Most of these are 3, 4, 5 bedroom homes. And many, many, many have been remodeled, although they were pretty much all built in the 70s. One of the great things about Mariners Valley is it's right off Lunalilo Home Road. So it's super easy access to all the shopping in Hawaii Kai and banks, etc. What's going on in real estate here? Well, there are actually two nice listings. One is needs a little tender loving care. It's on a corner lot though, and it's a one level, and it's just under 1.2 million. The other is 1.85 million. It's a 3 bedroom, 3 bath, beautifully remodeled. So there's quite a variety here. As always, we love to hear from you. Give us a call anytime or reach out on social media or check out our website, 808-358-8828, hawaiishome.com. Aloha.